Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're making, a guilty cravings dish. We are going to be making cheeseburger sliders. Something quick, simple, that you can throw together that everyone will like. Perfect for kids, perfect for gatherings. But before we get into that, I want to thank everybody for watching my videos. To my regular viewers, I want to say thank you for helping to support everything that I do. And for my new viewers, I want to thank you for joining us today. And remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. So, like I said, today we're going to be making cheeseburger sliders. For our cheeseburger sliders, you're going to need the following: ground beef, salt, pepper, garlic powder, diced onion, ketchup, mustard, pickles, sliced cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, slider rolls, butter, and dried minced onions. So we have a skillet that's heated up over a medium-high heat. And to this, we're going to add in our ground beef. And we are going to cook this till it's fully brown and no more red. So our ground beef is almost done. So now what we want to do is we want to add our pepper, our garlic powder, and our salt. And we're going to give this a good mix to fully coat our meat with our seasonings. And then once this is fully cooked, we're going to drain our ground beef. So I've toasted the bottom half of our slider buns. And so now we are going to place our sliced cheese across the bottom. Go. And now we're going to top this with our seasoned ground beef. I'm trying my best not to get this all over my counters, which I normally have a habit of doing. There we go. We're going to make sure we cover all our cheese with our ground beef. All right, let's get this out of the way. Now we're going to come with our shredded cheese. There we go. Our onions. And if you want more, you can add more. If you want less, you can add less. Then we're going to add our pickles. And I'm going to do about 3 per slider section. I'm going to eat one for myself too. Now we're going to come with our mustard. and our ketchup. Yeah, this bottle's almost out. And we're going to add our slider tops, just like this. And now, let me clean this up just a bit. I've got some melted butter, and we're going to add in some dried minced onions. Give that a quick stir, and then we're going to brush that over our sliders. And as always, I'm making a mess. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven for about 15-20 minutes. All right, so these have been in the oven for about 15 minutes. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for just a couple of minutes, and then we're going to pull us out some sliders out of the dish. Okay, so our sliders that we pulled out of our tray have had a few minutes to sit. So I pulled me out 2 to start with. So we're going to give this a quick bite. Forgot to wear me a napkin. Here we go. Oh yeah. These are really good. Like I said, quick, simple, guilty pleasure. So, next time you have an event and you want to bring something simple, definitely recommend bringing cheeseburger sliders. So, I want to thank everybody for watching. To all my regular viewers, thank you for helping to support the channel. And for the new viewers, I hope you keep coming back. And also to remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. So, I'm going to finish off these sliders, and y'all have a good day. Hope you're having a great week. Thank you.